This is why you need SVIZONA in your life. Say goodbye to project hassles and hello to streamlined success. At SVIZONA, we specialize in making your projects easier and more efficient. Whether it's pipe racks, platforms, buildings, or skids, we have the versatile structural steel solutions you need. Imagine a world where your fabrication needs are met under one roof. Yes, we have a top-notch fabrication facility ready to support you with any structural steel, mechanical work, platforms, walkways, cat ladders, and elevated road crossing platforms. We've got it all covered. But wait, there's more. We also offer hot dip galvanizing with a 12-meter dip bath for your structural steel, ensuring durability and longevity. So why stress when you can simplify? Let SVIZONA be your go-to partner for all your structural steel needs. Ready to take your projects to the next level? Contact us today and discover the SVIZONA difference.